We're back with an industry-leading warranty. Introducing the Pro Series. Robertshaw has returned to the wall thermostats category with state-of-the-art comfort control solutions for homeowners and light commercial building owners. This category offers simplicity, power, and economy. Right-sized yet feature-rich, varying by model. Featuring two unique models, the RS9110 and the Wi-Fi controlled RS10420T. Merchandising support at the counter and in-store. The Robertshaw Pro Series, a simple, powerful, economical, and valuable addition to your wall thermostat offerings.